and stuff. So we'll literally slather.
Yes.
Cheers, everyone. Salsa class, and that's how we're gonna be walking now. Hello everyone, this is Mallika Boobna, and today is the 1st of September or 2nd of September, I don't know, but it is a Saturday, and I think it is like 4:30 p.m. and I am all set to go bouldering with a couple of my friends. So yeah, I thought I should take you guys along because I haven't vlogged after I started working a lot, and I thought it'll be a good chance for us to spend some time together, you guys and me. So yeah, we're getting late, let's go. You said you can only use one color. Hey everyone, so I'm at this place called the Bouldering Bethnal Wall Green thing, and yeah, I've tried doing it, but I don't think it's my cup of tea. I'm gonna put in some shots of me trying. However, it's not easy, but it's very, very fun. So let's do this. This is what you do before you get started. I think this is
The powder.
Powder
Yeah.
you use so that you like do not slip and stuff. So we'll literally slather our arms with this, and now that it's all white, let's go.
I'm laughing though. Come on. Yes. Mind your feet. Go up with your feet as well, yeah? Come on, jump.
We are done, you guys. I mean, it's the easiest one, but peace out. Come on, Marisol.
Come on, slow. Take a breath.
Come on, no. Go. Is this a race though? No. Burhan, who do you bet on? Oh, never mind. Try that one. Are you just passing time and not doing anything, Burhan? Okay. Hey guys, so we're done with bouldering and it is 6:30 p.m. so it's been like an hour and a half. And now we're just gonna go to a place nearby to get some drinks, and then I'm gonna head home, and then we have a lot of things planned for tonight, so stay tuned.
Yeah, we're on it.
Stop talking.
Please tell them.
And yeah, I'll see you. Bye. Okay. Cheers, everyone. Cheers. Ow. Which is great. Cheers, everyone.
I saw one that was like 700.
No, a lot of them are like 10. Hey everyone, so after bouldering we just went to grab drinks at this bar, pub, whatever place, and we had a great time. And I forgot to vlog because we were like talking for like hours, and now it's like 8:30, so I'm gonna go home quickly and then get ready because I'm gonna go out tonight as well to meet other friends of mine. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, how is everyone doing? I know that I haven't been vlogging much, and that too because I've started a new job, so cooperate you guys, like a lot, like it's a big transition, so I'm trying to adjust and do my best. However, today I'm working from home and I think it's 5:30 p.m. so I'm done with work, which is great news. And now I'm gonna meet Lily for a salsa class. She's going to New York in 2 days, so we want to catch up before she leaves. And what's the best way to like relax than salsa and then like a nice dinner, you know? So all of this sounds lovely. I just want to go to the nail place real quick to get something fixed. I got new nails, you guys. Not very happy with it, quite satisfied, not really sure what's happening, I don't know, but I need to like get something fixed. So I'm going to the nail place right now, and then I'm going to meet Lily, and then we're going to walk to the salsa class and then have dinner and catch up. So I'm going to take you guys along with me today, so Yay. This is what I'm wearing. So we're getting late. Let's go, you all. You guys, I'm in Aldgate East after ages. And it feels so weird to be back here because all I see is like halt people everywhere. It's really weird, but it feels good. We are back home. Everything is very, very familiar, which is nice. And this is my favorite nail place. I'm gonna show you in a second, where I'm gonna quickly pop in, get something done, and then I'll see you after. I hope I don't need a reservation. Oh my god, there's a new baklava place which just opened up. Looks nice, but my nail place is here. Let me show you. Oh, this one. It's called Nails for You. Okay, bye.
Few minutes later.
Hi lovely people, so I just got out of the nail place and now Lily, we're supposed to leave now, but Lily is running 10 minutes late, so we're gonna go to Halt and wait for her. I want to get a coffee, but the Clean Hearts is, they charge me 50 pence for every pump of syrup when I take 3 syrups or like 2 pumps. They charge me 50 pence for every pump, and the hotel where I live at, like they charge me nothing for the pump and they give me discount as well. So there is no way I'm paying £6 for a coffee, which cost me like $3.30 at my hotel. So there's no coffee, I'm sorry, but it's just overpriced, like not happening. Oh, my professor is here, let me say hi. Professor, I just talked to my professor, you guys. It's just like so good to like see them after such a long time and talk about what we've been doing and how life has changed post Halt, because like she taught me in my 2nd year, so it's been like 3 years. But whatever. See you guys when Lily comes up. I'm going to talk to my mom and pass my time. In the meantime, I'm also finalizing my plans for New Year's. Exciting things coming up. So yeah, let me call my mom, pass my time, and then hopefully Lily should be here soon. Thank you. You guys, so my mom ditched me. She is not picking up my phone. That is Clean Hearts. We're not going to overpriced places, especially we don't live here anymore, so we don't have to. We have multiple other options. Now I'm going to E1 because the people who own E1, they're very, very sweet and like they've always been so kind to me. So whenever I was like moving to Stratford, they're like, just come and say hi sometimes, like we like that. So I'm just gonna go to E1 real quick, say hi to the owners and catch you in a bit. It feels like I'm on a like high school trip or whatever. Peace out. Do you guys want to see my old house when I was not a vlogger or whatever? Ow. I used to live there. Oh my god. Hey everyone, so we just got out of the salsa class and that's how we're gonna be walking now, like that way, and people are staring at us, which feels really crazy, but it was a fun class and we might go there again for bachata, I think, and Zumba, but yeah, Lily has like, Lily's in a salsa vibe.
I love it. It's really my habitat basically.
But it's been fun and now I think I'm gonna get some food in my body. And the weather is so good, you guys. Like, look at the surrounding. I love the area so much. She could not stop. She cannot stop, you guys. She cannot stop.
I love the final scene.
Yeah.
So dramatic.
It is right, like this time as well. Na, na, na. Na, na, na. This is samosa chaat. We're having butter chicken. She literally opened her naan apart. naan apart and she's filling it with samosas. I was this tomato curry is spicy for her. And she's chugging 2 mango lassi.
Like a piadina.
It's Indian food, my love. I can't. Hey everyone, I forgot to vlog. We were just catching up after a week. So there was a lot to talk about and she is going for another week. But good news is we're spending New Year's together in Dubai, so yay. So everything is amazing. I just got some butter chicken packed for me for tomorrow's lunch or dinner, whatever. And yeah, I'm pretty stuffed. We were just rehearsing the steps after the dinner to like digest better or whatever. Also being on camera makes me less scared to like walk in shady places. So this is helping because I'm kinda scared about what's really happening. But yes, it is 10:30. We're gonna get home by 11 p.m. We have things to do for tomorrow's office, like a few homework things, which I'm gonna get done in like a couple of hours. But whatever, I'm gonna see you when I next see you guys. Much love. Bye.